4 and is on both sides. One is 8, 2 big ones. The double bed is 1.35 meters. There are 6 cabins above. The whole frame is made of aluminum. Look at the steam side. It's made of high-strength nylon. It's durable and can hold a lot. 宝贝夫人 with a 2 exhaust fan, folding shower basin. The quick camera color and standing here. Do you think this place is smooth? In the kitchen, we have a hydrogen stove. Version for convenient dishwasher. This stove can be removed. You can take it on to have a hot pot or cook coffee. It's very convenient. U-shaped rod with this small table top. See, it can move. It can move where you want. You can eat, drink, and bake cars as you like. It's good for kids to do homework. It's a computer piece. It's good for work. It's much more convenient than those folding tables. It's more comfortable than other smaller bees. How about the bed? It assembles the tabletop. It's effortless for us. Directly double expansion. It has a heavy-duty steel chassis, 10-inch direct room medical, and double insurance claim. The original roadside spare tire is also included. It's stable and comfortable on downhill. Now if you order a car, then you'll get 10 packages of white sticker cover. Extra fast, or you'll get nothing.